Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did my nails for my birthday. Even though I was in quarantine, I didn't really get to do anything. I wanted my nails to look good, so I created these really cute nails. Of course, you guys, I used my Amazon glitter again. I will have a link below. But if you want to see how I did my birthday nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my BU nail tips already applied. And this is the multicolored glitter I'm going to be using. It will be linked below. So I dipped into my clear acrylic and then I dipped right into the glitter. So I'm just going to be applying glitter to the tip of this nail. And while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead over to my pinky and I'm just going to apply a coat of clear acrylic. So a few of my nails I'm going to be using gel polish. So for all of those nails, I'm just going to be applying clear acrylic. Going to pull out my good old faithful, which is my Cover Light blush by Glam and Glitz, which is just basically the same color as my nail beds. I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the nail that has the glitter, just because I want to, like, you know, do like a fade. I don't know, but that's what I'm doing here. And again, going in with my clear acrylic because I am going to be applying gel polish to this nail as well. And you guys, I did make a pretty big purchase on Young Nails website, so I'm going to have a lot of new fun and exciting acrylics to use. So if you guys want to see that, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll also have a haul video coming up as well. And now I'm just going back over to my ring finger and I'm just going to encapsulate that nail with clear acrylic. And for my pointer finger, I'm going to cover this entire nail using the glitter I have from Amazon, because I don't know, I've really just been into lately like each nail being somewhat different. I don't know, I just think it's more fun, so that's what I'm doing on this nail. And now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate that nail. So I'm actually really happy with this nail and my pinky nail, because it has like that thickness that I want in all of my nails. But for some reason, I just can't achieve that in all of my nails. I don't know. I'm trying to learn how to build an apex and to, have my nails be the same thickness. Because if you look at like my middle finger, it's not as thick as the other nails. I'm working on it, but if you guys have any tips, please let me know down below. And now I'm going to go with my favorite gel polish of all time, which is Born Pretty Flowers and Bud. And I'm going to apply that to my other three fingers that do not have the glitter. I don't know if you guys caught it or not, but I did recently post a video using this, but I ended up taking it down because I wasn't happy with it. So I took it down. I was like, I'm going to have to redo a video using this polish. So you guys will probably see this polish again, but it's my favorites. And I just love Born Pretty polishes. They're just so bomb. So now I'm going to use 3 different polishes: Born Pretty Vintage Jukebox, Kiara Sky Pure White, and Gelish June Bride. So I'm going to use the back of this nail form, and I'm going to go ahead and put all of my polishes down. So I'm putting white inside of the blue because I wanted the blue to be a little brighter, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. So I just applied some acetone inside of that damping dish, and then I'm going to go in with this art pencil that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to begin to draw like little squiggles on my nails because I want to do like a marble design, and I'm going to be using all the colors that you see that I have laid down there. And I'm going to take my polygel brush and dip inside the acetone, and then I'm just going to tap over that blue to just give like a more faded effect so it looks more like a marble design and not just like squiggles on my nails. And I'm just going to repeat those same steps, but now using the white gel polish. And now I'm just going in with that glitter gel polish. I'm just adding little spots of that onto the nail as well, just so that the nail also has some sparkle like the other nails and it doesn't look dull. So that's all I'm doing there, but I'm not tapping over that with acetone because I'm not adding a lot and you really don't need to. And now for the fun part, I'm going in with these AB crystals that I got from Amazon. So first I'm going to go ahead and put down this builder gel that I got from Born Pretty. I don't know, I just really love this for laying down stones. It holds onto them really nicely. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place my stones. And then this picker I have is from Hobby Lobby, and it works really good. So I'm going to use that to lay my stones down. And now I'm just going to go with my IBD No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply that to all of my nails. Okay guys, and these are the finished nails. I absolutely love them. As you guys can see on the pinky and thumb, I did go ahead and add some of that dark blue because I thought it needed a little something something, and I actually love the way it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know down below, and I hope you guys are all staying safe out there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!